Well, he had a little bitty brain, but he made up for it in other ways. This guy had some teeth, didn't he? How big were his teeth? Well, some up to the size of a banana. If you look at the picture right here, notice now that all of his teeth were big, but some of them got to be a big size. And again, you don't have to use your imagination, because I actually have a replica, an exact replica of T-Rex's tooth right there. There it is. Now, you look at that tooth, you know that's a sharp tooth, isn't it? Now, when you look at a sharp tooth like that, what do we always say that this creature must have ate? What did T-Rex eat? Well, we always say meat, right? But can you tell just from the tooth? How many of you have ever been into McDonald's? You guys ever been to McDonald's and sitting there eating a McDonald's hamburger? How many of you, while you were eating that McDonald's hamburger, had Mr. T-Rex come in and sit down next to you? You look over, you look up probably and see, what did he order to eat? Did he order the McDonald's hamburger also? Or did he order the salad they have there now? Which one was it? Did he order the salad or the guy that made the salad? Which one was it, huh? Oh, sure, the guy that made the salad. That's what we would say, right? Well, do we really know that for sure? Why? What do we have to look at? We have to look at a tooth. Can a tooth tell you what an animal eats or not? Well, let's look at some other teeth. Here's some teeth here. Look at these teeth. Those are sharp, nasty-looking teeth, aren't they? Now, look at them. If you look straight into the mouth of this creature, when you look at that, you'd say, this guy must eat meat. Well, those sharp teeth belong to this creature right here. You know what that is? That's a bat. It's a fruit bat. And what do fruit bats eat, guys? They eat fruit. That's right. Look at these teeth here. Boy, those are nasty-looking teeth. This guy could probably chew you right up. All right, these sharp-looking teeth came from a spider monkey. And what do spider monkeys eat? No, they don't eat spiders, all right? They also eat fruit. And you guys know this guy, don't you? The panda. What does the panda eat? He's got those sharp teeth, right? So does he sit around eating barbecued hamburgers and stuff? No, what's he eat? Bamboo. 98% of his diet is strictly bamboo. Now, he will eat a rat if he can catch it. Where he lives, they have bamboo rats that live underneath the ground, and if he can catch that rat, he will eat it. But those rats live underneath the ground, so they hardly ever catch them. 98% of what he eats is strictly bamboo. But yet, he has the perfect teeth for it. Just like that bat. Some of the fruit that bat eats is hard on the outside. Those teeth can get to the soft inner parts. Perfect teeth for that. So can you tell just by looking at teeth alone what an animal eats? No, you need a little bit more than that. I want you to take a look at these teeth here, and I want you to, by looking at the teeth, see if you can figure out what this guy eats, right? Now, how many of you, by raising your hand, how many of you think this guy eats? Well, let's go fruit eaters first. How many of you believe they eats fruit, right? Okay, put your hands down, good. How many of you believe this creature eats meat? Raise your hands. All right, about half and half. All right, put your hands down. Actually, guys, neither one. For you guys that sat out there and was lazy, didn't raise your hand, you're actually closer, because this guy doesn't eat meat, nor does he eat fruit. These sharp-looking, nasty fangs belong to this guy right here. That is a nectar-feeding bat. And what does he do? Well, he flies up to a tree, and he actually sticks his tongue out, and he gets the pollen, the nectar out of it, kind of like a hummingbird or a bee. So what does he use those sharp old teeth for? Well, scientists want to know, so they went down and they observed him. And you know what they discovered? He didn't use it for defense. He didn't use it for fighting. What he used it for was this right here. You guys see what I pulled out of my back pocket? All right? It's a comb. This guy has medium-length fur, and he is real fussy about how he looks. After a hard night of nectaring, he'll come and he'll hang upside down for a couple of hours, grooming his fur with his teeth until he looks good, all right? He is very fussy about how he looks, and he uses his teeth to take care of his hair. Now, guys, I could never make up a story like that, okay? But we can get to the truth through observation. And remember, that's what science truly is. It's observation, not imagination.